So it's time to do a proper speed run on our WL124008. We're going to start with the stock 3S battery. Just charged it, and then we're going to go on to a 40C if it's still good. We just kind of had a fire, so we're going to try this out and see what it does. Just reset it. Make sure it's playing. It's on pause now. Acquiring signal. Okay, let's start all over. Where are we at? That thing is so fast. This stock battery, 1300 mAh. 34.1. It's not the 37 we're looking for. You want to try out the other battery now? So we're going to stick in the 40C, see if we can get a little more out of it. Be right back with the other. So we're going to do speed run number 2 with the 142008. We're going to be doing it with this 1500 milliamp or 1500 mAh 11.7 40C. Get it inside and start running. And reset that. See, that's how I have to put this one in there. It fits just right. It's a little squeezed, but it works. Make sure it don't catch on fire first like the other one. Okay. Do a little quick one, make sure we're getting GPS. Nope, it's good to be checked. Okay, try it again. That thing is so fast. Does it read? Yep, 1 mile an hour. Okay. Now this is, again, 3S, 1500 milliamp, which is bigger than the stock. Yes, that is your steer. And then the bottom one is how fast it steers. Now, if it seems squirrely, turn this guy.
No, it's not squirrely. Okay. It just goes off. That's why it's going on the ground.
So, and this is a 40C as opposed to the stock 20. So they're comparable in mAhs. Is it faster? Holy crap, that thing is fast. Do one more pass and then we'll look at it. I love this car, Lord. I can't wait to get your other one. That's nuts. It's nuts. Let's see what we got. Alright.
Did it not record?
It did. It's just something wrong. 37 miles an hour. Okay, so 3S, that's exactly what we're looking for because that's what they say. 37.7. That's 37 is what we're looking for. So with the 3S 40C, we can hit their mark. That's freaking awesome. 37 miles an hour. That's so cool. So I think we can get it faster, but that's kind of, we're just looking to hit that benchmark. I love this car. We got another one coming, so we can get 2 of them out on the track racing. So check back soon. like and subscribe.